Something monumental is occurring, and the Shiba Inu development team has broken their quiet. You should not miss this video if you are interested in Shiba Inu or own Shib tokens. So, what's the most recent update on the Shiba Inu coin? The question then becomes, how does this impact the value of Shiba Inu? Along with providing answers to these queries, today's video will also notify you of all the recent information that has boosted the price of Shiba Inu. I want you to know that I have invested a lot of time and effort on this video so that you won't miss a thing. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. But first, let's check out the chart to see how the Shiba price is doing on January 7th before we get into our issue, shall we? Approximately 2,260 units are being sold today as Shiba Inu. The price of Shib has fallen by 8% in the last 24 hours, with $701 million worth of trading activity during that time. At the moment, the token is the 16th most valuable cryptocurrency, with a market worth of more than $13.3 billion. Note that these prices may have changed by the time you see the video. Additionally, please note that this information does not constitute financial advice. The video for today is ready to go. Shib burns increase by a hopping 360% after a critical new breakthrough. Shib Burn, a well-known wallet tracker, tweeted an update earlier today on the quantity of Shib meme currencies destroyed by the Shiba Inu Society. Just one day after the Shib team offered early access to the Shib metaverse, the monitoring platform showed a dramatic spike in the burn rate since yesterday morning. Burns caused by Shibs rose by a hopping 360%. According to the data source stated before, there has been a staggering 360% spike in the rate at which 23.7 million Shiba Inu meme coins have been removed from circulation in the last 24 hours. A total of 22.9 million Shib were incinerated in the biggest single transaction using meme coins. 3 X coins were removed from the market in the previous week and sent to inaccessible wallets. According to the tweet from Shibburn, the burn rate has decreased by 47.37%, even though 66.7 million Shib were burned. Metaverse Shib is now available. The Shib team officially launched early access to Metaverse, a long-awaited virtual place for Shib members, earlier this week. One way to get in is to link one's wallet and purchase a piece of virtual land that may be used to construct a residence. Thereafter, creating an online persona to inhabit the Metaverse. Hubs are public areas inside the virtual environment, where users may go to meditate, unwind, meet up with friends, talk about anything, or just hang out. According to today's X post, mysterious Shib leader Satoshi Kusama is proud of the Metaverse team for releasing it. Treat, an upcoming token with extensive Metaverse utilization, is also in the works for launch. Based on the Shib website, the new coin will open up a world of potential for the Shib army, including accessibility to the yield farming mechanism and a future that is more inventive and linked. Please, if you are still here, hit that like button. It would mean the world to us. It is completely free and greatly contributes to the channel's support. If you want to know what's happening with Shiba Inu and where the currency may go from here, you'll have to see the show. The Shiba Inu experience enormous exodus when the whales migrate billions of miles. The Shib price. What comes next? Along with the rest of the cryptocurrency market, meme coin values have fallen precipitously over the last 2 days. The sell-off took a severe turn in the previous 24 hours, causing Shiba Inu, the second biggest meme currency by market value, to report 8% losses. Along similar lines, other meme coins have traded, further reducing market groups. Whales have dumped massive amounts of Shib tokens in the last day, sending the asset's value further down. A massive sale was detected by the crypto monitoring company Look and Chain. In an effort to cash out before the market takes a nosedive, a crypto whale sold 250 billion Shib tokens, which are valued around $6 million. After acquiring 15.28 trillion SHIB for $3.8 thousand in August 2020, the trader's SHIB portfolio is now profitable. Following bull phases and community accumulations, the price of the meme currency has surged since then. After amassing $109 million in income, the whale now owns assets worth $52 million. This sale continues a pattern of other whales selling off their shares. The transfer of 43 billion tokens to an anonymous wallet on Deck 16 sparked comments from the community. Due to their unique pricing and market structure, meme coins may see extreme price fluctuations. End the storm with a rally. Meme coins have the potential to cause a panic on a larger crypto bulk cycle during a decline. It is expected that U.S. institutional investors will ignite an upward run, which hasn't dampened the optimism of SHIB bulls. Prior to the decline, the asset's value had risen by more than 90% since the U.S. elections. Speculators bet big on meme coins because they believe the government would loosen laws, which would propel the market to new heights. Also, in preparation for next year's predictions, institutional investors repositioned their holdings. The advent of the cryptocurrency season is another potential catalyst for a rise in accumulation. A revolving door of capital from Bitcoin to other assets defines this. Several experts have predicted that this month would be the beginning of altcoin season as whales transfer their holdings to other assets. Nevertheless, recent outflows and waning confidence indicate that volatility is still a critical component. We can now get down to the meat of today's video. The price of Shiba Inu is looking up due to whales. However, according to one expert, 2025 may be a year of substantial growth, which might put SHIB one step closer to a new record high. This Shiba Inu whale is really aggressive. The Shiba Inu whales seem to be making the most of the positive short-term outlook. Within one day, addresses with 1% or more of the SHIB supply bought 2.79 trillion SHIB, which is more than $60 million. Large holders' increased interest in the asset class, driven by the possibility of a price rise, is seen in this massive accumulation. Neither is this pattern unique. We have also seen such massive transactions happening all month long. These actions bolster SHIB's market position and indicate that key participants are gearing up for an upcoming breakthrough. Indicators of optimism in an asset's potential for growth, such as whale activity, are common. A possible trend change may be in the horizon for Shiba Inu, according to its macro momentum. At its present level of 25.0, the average directional index suggests that the continuing negative trend is beginning to lose steam. If SHIB's price were to go below this level, it would indicate that the bearish pressure is easing, which would pave the way for a price rebound. The rising whale activity and the diminishing negative momentum point to an uptick in positive mood among Shiba Inu investors. Given that SHIB receives enough purchasing support from both individual and institutional investors, a further decline in the ADX might serve as a stimulus for an upward advance. Price forecast for SHIB. Breakout imminent. No recovery of recent losses or advancement toward 3,306 units is possible as long as the Shiba Inu price stays below the barrier at 2,341. Any substantial recovery in the near future will be postponed by this crucial level's persistence in restraining upward momentum. Regardless, SHIB may be able to break over the resistance level of 2,606 units, according to the positive elements outlined before. Shiba Inu could be able to overcome these obstacles and push the price higher thanks to the optimistic market environment and continuing whale activity. Recovering losses and breaking the 3,306 unit barrier, 50% above the current price, is the short-term goal for the meme currency. This can only happen in the next several weeks if the 2,976 unit level is likewise turned into a support level. In any case, SHIB might remain consolidated above 2,193 units if it is unable to break through the 2,341 units obstacle. Important support and resistance levels are in place to ensure a successful recovery, since additional falls below this level would render the bullish thesis useless. A large number of our subscribers have expressed their unwavering belief in the Shiba Inu creators and the practical worth of SHIB, stating that they will not be selling millions of them for the next 5 years. What number do you have in your hands? Please disclose all of your SHIB assets in the space provided below. The SHIB holder deserves kudos for having faith in the procedure. Give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts on the Shiba Inu coin in the comments if you're enjoying it. Also, if you want to know when we upload a new video, you need to enable post notifications.